Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into a magical snow angel portrait using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered creative tool that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photo, AI creative designs, avatar video, product showcase, and many more. And then in here, we will use this tool to create creative image, a magical snow angel. And if you want to try this tool yourself, you can just click the link in the descriptions to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI, and then next, just log in using your Google account. And then after that, just go to more, and then Image Studio, and then choose your AI designs. Upload your photo on here, for example, and then next, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it as you like. And then after that, just choose your AI model in here, and then choose your ratio, and then after that, just simply click submit and wait for the process. And okay, let's just take a look. Okay, like this, you can see it. Your photo automatically transforms into a beautiful snow angel like this. I think it's so beautiful and cool. And okay, that's it. Maybe you can just try it with your own photo. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.